Hey, good morning, Kanesia. How you doing today? My name is Courtney Richardson. I'm here at Tameron Honda in Hoover, Alabama. And I just wanted to send you this short video to thank you for your online interest in that beautiful Honda Accord. Now, the website that you inquired in on didn't really give me many specifics as to which exact color or trim on that vehicle that you were looking for. But we are the #1 volume dealer here in Birmingham, so I'm guaranteed to have that exact vehicle that you're looking for. But standard on that Honda Accord, some of those safety features that you will pick up, along with that Honda Sensing Suite, your Bluetooth capabilities, reverse cameras now, all standard across the board, and so much more. But at your earliest convenience, if you would, just give me a call at 205-261-8732. Let me know what day and time will work best for you, minus the rain and the intercom system that we do have here to get you to come by, check that vehicle out in person, get behind the wheel, and experience it for yourself. Can't wait to hear from you. But again, my name is Courtney here at Tameron Honda in Hoover, where I guarantee when you make it here to see me, you're absolutely going to love the way you treat me.